So for me, and this might be the technologist in me speaking, the thing closest to my heart is open source. That's our way to change the world, to make really impactful technology and to make it really scalable. And I think what blockchain and what token economy is going to enable big time is to fund open source software in ways that we couldn't do before. And you can see already now, Bitcoin and Ethereum. Take Ethereum, for example. The foundation only has a couple of dozen of developers working for it, but they have hundreds and thousands of people involved in the code. So this is something that's really going to enable, in my eyes, a new renaissance for open source software.